Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Totally Primal. We are just hanging out on this beautiful day on Apple Creek Whitetails Ranch. You can see the lodge behind me there. And we had a great experience this week. Performance Food Group put on a fantastic show at the Resch Center, displaying all kinds of different products to all of your favorite restaurants across Northeast Wisconsin. And we're going to talk about some of those experiences today.
We're showing all of the customers all cool stuff that we brought with us.
What is the best way to describe a food show?
It's an opportunity to present new ideas, present your product mix, and an opportunity for end user customers to take advantage of some food show deals and that sort of thing. So, one thing that's missing from it is the gamey flavor. There's no game flavor to it. You know, I was struck by the variety of customers that showed interest, and I think it was a real eye-opener for the sales force from Performance Food Group, because I think they had it in their mind that this was a product mix for, you know, a certain market segment, where they got shown in no uncertain terms that it's a lot broader market segment than they anticipated.
That's super important for them because it gives them that edge. If someone brings venison into their restaurant, it's something that maybe the place right down the road isn't going to have that.
Absolutely.
And so anything people can do to bring something that's unique into their place,
no question,
it just gives them that much more of a competitive advantage.
If you're using hamburger in a place, you might as well use some ground venison, and you get your buzzwords, your free-range grass-fed, and
It's sparking that inspiration within people to be like, hey, if you've used beef or pork, why not try replacing it with venison?
We want to show our customers how many ways that this can apply to their menus and to their customers. The customers and the sales force alike really got their eyes opened to the possibilities, because I mean, we just showed a display of a really nice salad,
right?
And all we did was take one jalapeno cheddar snack stick and cut it on the bias and shingle it around, and suddenly that salad's worth $5 more.
Right.
So instead of coming in and seeing a new flavored, you know, deli salad or a new flavored chicken breast or a new shaped bun or something like that, they came and saw something that sparked immediate ideas about, wow, we can really do something magical in our
Absolutely.
restaurant.
And it had nothing to do with if it was a bar and grill or a high-end brewery, you know, with $40 plates. It didn't have to be high-end for people to be considering it.
It's one thing to have a quality product, but these days with the limited amount of help in the restaurant industry, it's really important to show people how they can make money on the product.
To get the people that didn't like venison. You know, I only was able to get a few conversions on that day. But
Well, I call it the venison turnaround.
Yep.
Well, I don't like venison, and I've done it now 3 different occasions at different festival food stores, where someone said, I just don't like venison. I said, I'll make you a deal. You try that German sausage right there, and if you tell me that you can't stand it, I'll give you a package of this free. 3 times. The 3rd time, finally, somebody said, you know, I'm trying to find a way to tell you I don't like this so I can get that free package of sausage, but it's really good.
You can tell that it's venison, but it's still very mild. It was just so cool to hear everything of you know, these even some small like mom and pop delis that wanted to see about using that on their menu.
From convenience store level of the food business to fine dining level of the food business, there's an application for our products, and that was a major surprise to me.
You know, we had that surge come through on the station where I was working at. And then I'd be like, yeah, be sure to step around to the other side. There's burgers, there's backstrap, and their eyes would just light up. They're like, there's backstrap? What? It's like, yeah, there's like, wait, there's more venison products? And it's like, the whole booth is venison products, folks. I feel sorry for the folks that had breakfast before they came there. I'm sorry, that was just poor planning. Just our booth itself.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was fun putting it together.
That was
you know, Isaac did a great job.
That was fun.
This is what Primal Eats is all about.
Yep.
You know, it's you know, really tapping into that hunter-gatherer, you know, that instinct and then taking that and bringing it to the customer.
That's good. That is good. I wish more restaurants would serve stuff like this.
Well, I've been presenting product to customers and sales forces for over 20 years. You know how fun it is to present a product that not only is supreme quality, but nobody else has.
Right? Yep.
It's a beautiful thing.
It's a good edge.
I got 6 more pans of this, guys. Come on, take some more.
Very, very humbling experience. This whole show was. It was very nice to see new customers. I wouldn't say old customers, but people that I've known from previous occupations.
Sure.
Stopping by and saying hello, and it was just such a great experience.
Got to give somebody a reason to drive by all of your competition and come to your place.
That's true.
Right? And we provide a product that gets that done better than anything I've ever seen.
That wraps up our conversation here today. Check our website, primaleats.com, and you can find a retailer, a restaurant, or any location near you that carries Primal Eats products. It's been a great time with you guys today. I'm here with Isaac and Chef Tom, and we'll see you next time on Totally Primal.
Okay, we're done now.
We're done! Cut it! You had a fishing pole, you said.
Cut.
Fishing pole?
You want to do that?
Oh, it's so uncomfortable.
You're turning the whole thing up. How am I supposed to catch fish? Get that! Get that!